Hello, I'm Joe, I'm Marketing Executive here at ROARR Dinosaur Adventure, and we're based just a short drive out of Norwich in Lenwade. We're a real family-friendly park. We offer a full day out for all ages to enjoy, and we have over 20 ROARR-some attractions here at ROARR Dinosaur Adventure. These include Dippy Splash Zone, Predator High Ropes. We've got the Dinosaur Trail that people will love. We've also got the secret Animal Garden down at the bottom of the park. And we've got Norfolk's biggest indoor play, and that's Dinomite. There's over 100 life-size dinosaurs, in fact, for you to discover, and we offer something for all ages to come and enjoy.
Hi, my name's Nicole. I'm the Park Animal Manager here at ROARR Dinosaur Adventure in the secret Animal Garden, and the whole team are really looking forward to coming along to the Norwich Science Festival and sponsoring the Zoology Day. We'll be bringing some of our animals along that you'll be able to touch and possibly even hold. One of them might be Dave the corn snake here. We'll also be bringing some ferrets and some Madagascan hitting cockroaches.
We're delighted to be part of the Norwich Science Festival this year. For us at ROARR Dinosaur Adventure, it's really important for us to get out into the community, to take part in new projects, and we feel that the Norwich Science Festival is a brilliant platform for us to showcase what we have on offer, some of the animals we have, and also some of the great events and work that we do here. And we're really looking forward to being part of such a ROARR-some time.